Hello everyone, welcome to Maths IAC. This is GCSE Maths Exam Sprint series. Here you can see another possible exam style question. It's a good question. Please pause the video and give this a try. When you're ready to check the answer, press play. Two circular gears P and Q are shown below. Each time gear P makes one complete rotation, so when P goes like one complete rotation like that, gear Q turns through an angle of 37 degrees. Okay, so gear Q only turns through 37 degrees. Gear P has a radius of 24 centimeters. So we know the radius here is 24. Now, obviously, we'll have to start from this one. The circumference is 2 pi r. So I can do this. That will be 2 times pi times 24. That will be 2 times 24 is 48 pi. Now, I can put this in the calculator and find the answer, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Now, because when this completes one cycle, this only rotates by 37 degrees. That means this length here is equal to the circumference of this one, which means this one here is 48 pi. Now we know the formula that gives arc length is theta divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Now, we know the arc length is 48 pi. So, let's plug this here. 48 pi. Theta is 37 degrees divided by 360 degrees times by 2 pi r. Now, you can clearly see the only unknown is the radius of Q, which is my question. So let's move this to the other side. 48 pi multiplied by 360 divided by, now this 37 and 2 pi becomes division. So 37 times 2 pi is my r. Now this pi and this pi gets cancelled out. The radius is 233.513. I'm going to go to one decimal place and it's in centimeters. Final answer.